The Joy portable refrigerator is a quiet, energy-efficient unit that is designed for versatility. I want to start off by saying that this is one very heavy-duty cooler. I mean, everything about it, the way it's designed, even the handles, these heavy-duty spring-loaded handles, everything is heavy-duty built, well-made design. When you get the product, all you have to do is install the handles, but everything is already just ready for you just to plug in and press on and adjust the temperatures to whatever you want, and you're ready to go. You can take this out to go on a road trip, camping, if you live in a camper or you travel full time, or it makes a great emergency backup refrigerator. And the great thing about this is that you can plug it into an AC or a DC adapter. As you can see down here, there is two ways you can plug this in. I'm going to plug this real quick. I'm using a house adapter plug, but it does come with a different adapter, so you can plug it into your vehicle, a battery, a solar setup, and that's a 15 amp fuse. And if you go in here, open this up, and you'll see that this is a pretty big, good sized little cooler area here. So you can put anything from frozen foods to refrigerated foods. Now, typically what you put in this is things that will maintain, don't require too much of cold temps, maybe produce or drinks or something like that. But in here is where you put, if you want, depending on what you want to have in this cooler, you can put ice cream, meats, whatever. There's a nice little light in here so you can look and see the dark. And on the side panel of this door, it tells you exactly a little bit of the information when it comes to what you can, the temperatures of what to freeze. Now when it comes to lifting this, like I said, it's heavy duty handles, and the spring loaded handles helps with, it helps with lifting up the cooler. This is, since it's very heavy duty, it's a little on the heavy side, but definitely, you can get one person on one side, one person on the other side, if it's just packed with like a lot of heavy stuff. But I'm going to put an additional item on this. This is, I do keep an insulated bag for this product. I'm going to put that on and tell you a little bit more about that. So this is the very heavy duty insulation bag. I'm going to try to put this on myself. I think I can do it. It is like that. Just slide it right in there like that. And then I'm going to unplug it real quick. And what I love about this bag is that, I'll just get to that in a second here, but let me put this on real quick. It only takes, see how fast it was to put on? But it is an extra protection for this cooler. And I love it. I love everything about this bag. And that's how long it takes to put it on. There it is. Plug this back in. And as you can see on this side of the cooler bag, there's already cut out openings for the things you need to get to. It has the openings for the handles. What I love about it is the storage pockets. On this side, there's mesh pockets. On the other side of the cooler, there's these like more secure pockets. I love this bag because you can rotate this around easily without scratching up the floor or the fridge. I mean, the bottom, there's a lot of, the fridge itself is well built for pushing around and stuff, but this bag adds not only extra insulation for the fridge, if you ever have to shut it off, it'll keep the stuff in this fridge a lot colder for longer. Little clear screen deal. You can still touch the buttons with this on. Yeah, I think that pretty much sums up what I have to say about this cooler.
Today it's not going to be a cooking video, it's going to be a lifestyle related video, and today I'm here to share with you all 2 car fridges. So we have the BODEGA 12-volt car refrigerator, and when you open it up like this, on the top there you get a cutting board which you can use on top of this, and we have the smaller version here, and these are real refrigerators, so you do not need to put ice in here to keep your items cold. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the refrigerator. It's a 12-volt car refrigerator. It's a car fridge dual zone app controlled. It's a portable freezer, 48 quarts, it's this big one. It does have an RV electric compressor cooler, a 12/24 volt DC, and a 100-240 volt AC for outdoor camping travel, and great for your RV. So if you guys are looking to travel or do a cross-country trip and you want something where you can have drinks in really cold without having to transport ice or stopping to get ice all the time, this is going to be your new favorite friend. You can take it to the beach, you can take it camping, you can take it cross-country, and it's very easy to carry around. It does have really nice big wheels. It has a long telescopic handle. There's this one, and then there's the smaller one. The smaller one does not have a telescopic handle, but it works just as great as this big one. So if you guys are interested in owning one of these, and let me show you all the connector. It comes with 2 different connection types. So you get a regular connector, and then you get one. So this is a wall plug, and this one can go into your cigarette lighter. So you have the option to choose which one you want to use. Now in the back of our truck we can use this one, so that's the one that we're going to be using. If you have a smaller vehicle, you would probably be using this cigarette lighter connector. So here's a closer look at the car fridge. 2 compartments. There's your drain plug. Now you can store fruits, you can store cold foods. If you make sandwiches or potato salad or anything that you need to keep cool, you can also use this refrigerator to do that. You can keep your drinks on one side and your fruits and your potato salad on the other side. These are 2 baskets that you can take in and out, and both of the fridges are designed the same way, just like this. So it does come with your user manual. Of course, you'll go through, you'll read, you'll set up. One of the great things I like about this is that it comes with an app. So you connect it to your phone and you can monitor to make sure that it's reading the right temperature and everything is working well, just like you would do with a regular refrigerator. So it's something that I really like, because when we go to the beach or we go to the park, you want to carry drinks. Sometimes you don't want to go get ice or you can't find ice. This comes in really handy, and it will stay cool up for a certain amount of time. Just remember, this is just like a real refrigerator, so you want the gases to settle before you can plug it on again. So if you move it about, make sure before you plug it on, you allow the gases to settle. So if you all are interested in owning one of these, this will make a great Father's Day gift, Christmas gift, you name it, gift. I mean, if someone were to give me this as a gift, I would really love it. So this is going to be an idea for you all for Christmas, and I will leave the information to purchase it down in the description box. Click on it right now. They have a extra $30 off of your purchase. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.